This is a video demonstration of a Crown Simplimatic board transfer shuttle. This is a walk-through gate. You'll notice that we have to make a signal to communicate with this conveyor to tell it to pass along the board. That's what that is for. It is SMEMA compatible. And we'll walk around this. The board transfer is left to right. In order to best demonstrate the board passing, there is a plexiglass top that comes with it. We've taken it off. You'll see it in a minute as I continue my walk around. But this was the better way to show the functionality of this unit. And there is the plastic top. I've got it leaning up against the conveyor, but it'll go on top. Alright, now we're going to walk around and end up where we started and run a board or two through.
The red light means that the shuttle is calling for a board. We'll push the button and simulate board available. Belts turn on. Board stops at the end. The way this is set up right now, it is not giving a board available signal. It's waiting for a not busy from the next conveyor. So we'll simulate the not busy. When it comes out, it will give the board available signal. And come on. That setting is changeable in the PLC. If the next conveyor requires a board available before it will call, that setting is changeable in the PLC.
Let's run one more there.
Again, we'll simulate a not busy. When it gets to the end of its travel, it will give a board available, and then we'll give the not busy again and it will come off.
So there you have it, your board transfer walk-through gate.